Hey guys, welcome to my training. So in today's training, I will be designing a Bitcoin investment website with a lot of features. Now, the Bitcoin investment website that we're going to be designing today can also be used or called a HYIP, can also be called a broker website, can also be called a forex trading website. Now, in this Bitcoin investment website, you are going to learn how you can start designing a Bitcoin investment website in less than 1 hour. And this is a very advanced script. Now, one of the great features of this script is that you can register users from the admin end if you like. Then you can deposit in a user's account right from the admin end. You can register users. You can even deposit in users account. You can add money to users account, and users can withdraw that money from their end. So also users can register from the user side themselves. They'll be able to log in, and a mail will be sent to them to activate their account. Also, in this Bitcoin investment website, I'm going to be showing you how you can also enable two-level authentication, right? This script works with two-level authentication with different kinds of wallet. Now, this is a very powerful script with a very front-end design, back-end design, and very mobile responsive, right? So normally, you know that before you design a Bitcoin investment website, the first thing you need to do is to get a domain name and a hosting. And I highly recommend you get your domain name and hosting from Namecheap, because I love Namecheap so much, because their services is good, their customer care is good, and they have a very great hosting services, right? So as usual, you go to namecheap.com, right? So you go to namecheap.com. Then just doing this for people who have no knowledge of website design, and you buy a domain name. So let's say Bitcoin IO reserve.com. So you search for a domain name, right? So you search for a domain name.com, sorry. So you search for a domain name. So once the domain name is available, you're going to add that domain name to your cart, right? So once the domain name is available, you're going to add that domain name to your cart, and you're going to go to hosting. Then you're going to go to what? Shared hosting, right? You're going to go to shared hosting, and you can see it's $1.88. So if you're not sure about Namecheap, you can just buy 1 month, which is $1.88, which is less than 1,000 naira, right? So I'm just going to, if you are doing 1 month, so just going to say monthly. So monthly is going to give you 3.88. So, but just a yearly, it's going to give you 1 point. So you just click on get started, right? So you just add this to the cart, right? So immediately you add this to the cart, so it's going to tell you to confirm your order, and you go ahead and make payment. Now, when you go ahead and make payment, and get this hosting, they will send you a mail, right? So a mail has already been sent to me, and I already logged into my SIPA. So they're going to send you a link, and they're going to send you an email. In that, they're going to send you a link. I'm going to send you a username and a password that you need to log into your account, and you just go right there and log into your account, right? So I've already logged into my account right now. And the next thing I want to do is immediately I log into my account, I'll just go to File Manager, right? I'll just go to File Manager. So I I search for File Manager, then I click on it, and I am here on File Manager. So I'll just go to public_HTML, right? So when I come to public_HTML, you see that when you purchase hosting, you can just see something like, all you need to do, just select all, and then you do just delete all. So I'm going to delete everything I have here. Right, so I'm going to delete everything I have here. Then when I do that, so I'm going to click on upload, right? So then I'll click on select files, then I'll click on choose file, right? So I'll just go right into what I want to upload. So this file is a file that I want to upload. Now I'm going to give you access to this file, right? You're going to get access to this front page and this invest. This is 2 files I'm going to be uploading to my cPanel, and these files are zip. By the end of this training, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this file, right? You get access to this file. You can use this file as many times as you want to use this file. So I just first of all upload the front page, right? So I click on upload the front page. You see that it's just less than 5 megabytes. It's just about 2.3 megabytes. So I'll click on public. So I just go back, then I'll right click on this. Can you see that? So let me just reload this so you see that again. So this is not going to take you less than 5 minutes. So I'll just right click on this, then I'll click on extract, and I'll click on extract file, right? And I'll click on close. So let me just reload this one time. So I'll double click on this, right? I'll double click on this. The file need to go inside public_HTML. So I'll double click on this, right? Double click on this, then I'll click on select, then I'll click on move, right? Then I will remove this front page. Can you see that? So I want the files to be inside public_HTML. Then I'll click on move files, right? So when I click on public_HTML, you can see the files are already here. Can you see that the files are already here? So I'll just go ahead and then load my website, right? I'll just go ahead and load my website. So you can see that in less than 1 minute we have done this, right? Can you see that in less than 1 minute we have done this, and the site is up? Can you see this site? This site is so beautiful. Can you see that? Very sleek. Can you see that? Very sleek website, and very awesome. Everything you have on the front pages of this website can automatically be changed to whatever you want to change them to, right? Everything can be changed to whatever you want to change them to. So let me click on the About Us page, so you can see the About Us page. Can you see that? Oh my God, this is really cool. So let's go to the investment page. Oh my God, so you see that with the investment plans, you see that this is really cool. So let's go to the contact page and see what's happening there. So you see that this is really cool. So let me go back to the home page. You can see that this is really cool, right? So now what I want to do is that I am going to connect my script, right, into this particular front page. So you can see test this front page on your mobile. You can see on the mobile it's very responsive, right? On your mobile the front page is very responsive, right? So now I want to connect this particular script. But before I connect this particular script, let me just show you how you can easily edit everything you have on this front page, right? So everything you have on this front page is easy to update, right? It's easy to update. So first of all, let's change this logo. So I'll just right click and I will say copy image address. So I'll put it right here, paste and go. Can you see that the image address here is the name here is logo2.png. Can you see that? And it's inside img/logo/ right, img/logo// so you just see the URL of the logo, right? You just see the URL of the logo. So the name of this logo is logo2. So I'll just copy this logo2 right here. So I'll go to where I have my own file right here. So I have logo1 and logo2. So I'll just change this. So I'll just change this to this name, logo2.png. Okay, let me just do this. So I'll just make sure my logo, my logo name is also logo2, right? So from here you can see that is in your domain name /img/logo/logo2, right? img/logo/logo2. So I'll just go right there and replace that logo. So it's inside img/logo and it's called logo2. So I'll just upload my logo. I'll just select it and then I'll choose my file. So this is logo2. So you see that it asks me to replace, so I'm just going to replace that, right? I'm just going to replace that. Then I'm going to refresh my site. Now, when you refresh your site, and you do not see the changes immediately, just hit Control F5, right? Just hit Control F5. So when I do Control F5, right, you see that my logo will be automatically changed, right? Right. So let's see. So Control F5 means, you can see that. So you can see that my logo has been changed. So that's how you can change the logo. So the same thing, if I want to edit any information from the home page, let's say all of this information, I want to edit this information from this home page, right? This information, I want to edit this information. So the most prestigious investment company worldwide. So I just copy this text right here. Then I'll go to my file manager again. So let's go back to the home page, the public_HTML. So we just look for the index page, right? Just look for the index page. So this is the index page. So I just right click on it, then I'll click on edit, then I'll click on edit. So I'll just do Control F. Can you see that? So I'll put that there. So this will just come. I can see the most prestigious investment company in the world. So I can change it to anything I want, right? you see that I just change it to what I want. So I'll just do that. Then I'll just refresh that, right? So immediately I see that our company the best. Can you see that? So everything on this can be changed, right? So you can see the logo here, copyright C2022. I can just copy this, copyright C22. So let me just copy this. So I'll go to my index file again, and I'll just place this one here. Can you see that copyright C2022? So I can change it to what? 2021, and then I can give it the name crypto reserve. Can you see that? Crypto reserve. So I'm just going to save changes, right? So when I come here again and I'm going to refresh that, so when I refresh that, can you see that crypto reserve? Can you see that it's going to show crypto reserve, right? If there's a link there, you have to change that link to your link, right? So there's no link right here. Can you see that crypto reserve? So I use my crypto advice. So you see that, so everything you have here can actually be changed, right? Even the plans that you have here, you can actually change the plans to whatever plan that you want the plans to actually look like. So if we go to investment, so if we go to investment, we're going to see our plan. Can you see our plan here? So minimum investment, maximum, and all of that. We can change all of them, and we can link this one right to our login button, right? Awesome. Can you see that? So this script is so awesome. Anything you want to change on this script, just go to the page, look for the file of that page, and you can change that. So you can see all of the files of the page, right? You can see them right here. These are all of the files in the pages, right? So you can see all of them here, and you can easily change them, right? So what I want to do right now is that I'm going to where's my site? So what I want to do right now is that I'm going to connect the user dashboard, the admin dashboard, right, and the login dashboard into this script right now. So I'm going to connect that. But before I connect that, let me just change this information here, info at this. So let me just change this here. I'll just put that here. So it's that info at. So I'll just do my info at. So even my name, I want to change my name to, you have here, I want to change to crypto reserve. So I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to save that, and I'm going to refresh. So when I do that right away, you're going to see that, can you see that info at crypto reserve, right? So live, so it's supposed to be crypto reserve.com. Let me change that. Yeah, .com. So it should be .com, right? So I'm just going to change that, and can you see that? So I'm just going to. Awesome, can you see that? So that has been changed. So anything here can be changed. You can see get started here. You can also come here and type get started. Can you see that? So this is the link, and later on we are going to link this to our front page, right? So now I want to connect the user dashboard, the admin dashboard, and the investment dashboard, so we can start investing. So you see how beautiful this. Just upload that part of the script as a folder into my my cPanel, right? But what I want to do is that I want to create a subdomain for it, right? I want to create another subdomain for it, so I can upload that part of that script into that subdomain. So let me go back to here, and I'll just type sub, right? I'll just type sub. So I'll click on subdomain. So I can still decide not to use a subdomain and still just create a folder, a directory, and do that. But I want to create a subdomain, and I want to call that subdomain accounts. I want to call that subdomain account. So this is what I'm going to call that subdomain. I'm going to create that subdomain right away. Alright, my subdomain has been successfully created, right? So when you create a subdomain, you are also going to find the details of that subdomain from the file manager area. So let me just go back to the file manager area. Let me go back to home right here. So I'm going to see the subdomain that I just created here, right? I'm going to see the subdomain that I just created here, right? So this is the subdomain that I just created here. So I'm just going to open up this subdomain, right? So the subdomain is open. So I'm going to upload my file right into that subdomain. So I'm going to upload. So I'm going to go select files, and I'm going to show file. So like I said, I'll tell you how you can get this file. So this is the invest. So I'm just going to bring up this file right here, and then Awesome. Can you see that this file is just another very small file and is 14.32 megabytes. So you can see all together all the files that this site has is not even up to 20 megabyte, right? So when you upload something like this, all you have to do is just ensure you wait for the upload to be complete, and it's going to show you green. If you do not see green, do not stop the upload, right? Just click on this link right here and it's going to show you this. So just right click on this, then you click on what extracts, then you click on what extract files. You just extract the files, then reload this if you want to reload this. So double click on this extracted file, then you click on select all, then you click on what move. So you just move it to the main folder or the subdomain, right? So just move it to the main folder or to the subdomain. So I'm just going to move that, right? So everything has been moved right here to this subdomain, right? Everything has been moved to this subdomain. So I'm just going to go to my subdomain / public, right? I'm going to go to my subdomain / public to access that. So it's my subdomain / public. Now there are some times when you try to access this, right? So awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Now there are some times when you try to access this, it's going to give you a it may give you a PHP error message. So make sure you have nothing less than PHP 7 point, right? You must have PHP 7 point. So you're just going to land on this particular install. Awesome. So you click on check requirements. Awesome. So it's going to check the requirement for you and see if you meet up with the requirements. So as you can see, all of the requirements are met. So I just click on check permissions. So you're going to check for permission. So you can see when I'm trying to check for permission, it's giving me all of this error. Means what? There are permission error. So all we need to do is make sure that everything here is 777, 777, 777. So what is telling us that we should change storage to 777, app to 777, public to 777, right? So all of these folder structure must be changed to 777. That's what come to this core underscore invert. So you open up this file, right? So you open up this file. When you open up this file, so it said we should check storage app public, storage app public. So let's look for that. So this is the storage. Where is it? This is the storage. So you right click on storage and you say change permission. Then you click on this and you click on this. Then you click on what? Change permission. So we have changed the permission for storage. So the next is what? App. So let's go right here. So go to app. So open storage. Inside storage we have app. So 777. So click on change permission. Change the permission to 777. So change permission. What's the next one? Public. So inside app we have public. So open app, there must be public. So see that. So we change to what? Change permission to what? 77. Then you click on change permission. So if you do that and you refresh your installation again, you see that this has been done, right? So we also have storage app brand. So we have open storage app. So there will be brand there. This is brand. So you just right click and you click on change permission and you say 77, right? So you change permission, right? So if we refresh this now, you see this is going to show green. You see that. So we also have storage framework. So let's go back right here and go back one more step. So we see framework, then you right click, then you click on change permission, and you just give this. So when you are giving that, you see that you change it to what? 777. All right. So let's click on what? Change permission. So let's refresh this one more time. Let's refresh this one more time. So we did storage framework. I see that it has changed to so we still have storage logs. So storage log, this is log. So right click on it, you click on what? Change permission, then you tick this and you tick this. So you click on change permission. So this is very, very simple. So let's refresh this one more time again and see. Can you see that? So we just have one bootstrap / catchy. So let's go back one more step. Let's go back one more step. So we'll see bootstrap here and we'll also see catch. So you change this to what? Change permission to what? 77. Change permission. So let's go back one more step and change bootstrap, right? We didn't change bootstrap. So let's look for bootstrap. So right click on bootstrap and then make it what? 77. Awesome. So let's just refresh this again and see. Can you see that? Awesome. Everything has been changed, right? Everything has been changed. So this must be changed to what? 777. So you click on what? Configure environment. Awesome. So you can see that our environment is what? Set up, right? our environment is what set up, right? So we're just going to name this our name. So you put the name of your company, Crypto Reserve. So put the name of your company. Then you leave this production like this, leave everything like this, and then you can also leave everything like this, right? You can also leave everything like this, right? You can also leave everything like this. So I'm going to click on what setup database. So you're going to open the database setup, right? So you leave all these like this, then you leave all this like this. So all we need now is the database name and then the database username and the database password. So let's go right there and create all of this information, right? So let's go to our main site. So from here now I'll just check for database. So I'll look for database, my SQL wizard. So I'll open database my SQL wizard, right? So this is the database my SQL wizard. So I'll just and create my DB. So I'll say DB, right? So then I'll say next step. So I'll create my user, then password generator. So I'll just copy this password and say I've copied this password, and I'll click on use password, right? So I've copied that password and say use password. So let me just put this right here. So just put this information right here. That's my password. So I'll click on create user. Awesome. Then I'm going to copy this information right here. So you have to copy this information and put it right here because we are going to need this information. So just put the information right here. Awesome. So you click here, you say all privileges. Make sure you click that. Then you say what next step. Awesome. Can you see that? So all that I've been what? I'll just come here. I'll copy this password. So let's come here. Where is database? This is database password. I'll paste it here. So I'll copy this username. So this is database username. So let's check it. Database name, database username. So this database username. I'll paste it here. So there's no mistake here. If you make any mistake here, it's not going to work for you. So this is database name. So database name. This is my database name. So I'm just going to put that right here. Then I'm going to click on what? Install. Awesome. Can you see that? So when you enter all of this information correctly, your application will be installed successfully. Can you see that? My application has been installed successfully. So I'll click on what? Complete installation, right? So I'll click on complete installation, right? So when you click on complete installation, it's going to take you to what? To where you have to enter your license code, right? You have to enter your license code. So you're just going to enter a license code that I'm going to give you. So here is the license code. So you're going to see the license code inside here. So this is the purchase code. So right, see the purchase code right here. This is the purchase code inside here. So I'll just copy this purchase code right here, and I'll put this purchase code right here. Then anything here, you can just put anything. Just put anything right here, and please enter any email I require to reset the activation. Right, email address required to reset the activation. Right, so you click on submit. Awesome. So can you see that the script has successfully installed, right? The script has successfully installed. Now sometimes when you're trying to install the script and if you get any error, probably the script is not installing well, all you have to do is what? Just delete the what you have done before and restart the application. I'm going to install for you, right? So enter create an admin. So I can say super admin. So that's the full name and email of the admin. I put or I can just put admin. So I put admin. So I'll put a domain name and I'll put password. So I'll create this account. Awesome. So I've successfully created the account, right? I've successfully created the account. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to log in, right? I'm going to log in. So I click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? So I've successfully logged in. So site email, I will also use that admin email, and I'll put crypto. Right, so then I'll click on updates. So website successfully updated. Can you see that? So the website has been successfully updated, right? All the email notifications sent to this email. So I'll just put the email where I want all notifications to be sent. That's another good reason why I love this script. Anything that happens when user try to do anything, you get email notification. If users try to invest, if users try to withdraw, anything that users try to do on your website, you get email notification as an admin, so you can quickly take action. So that's one good thing about this script. So now let's go to the mail setup, right? So this is the mail setup. So anything you do here will determine if you're going to be getting mail or not, right? So I'll just set this as mail dot. So the mail will be mail dot your domain name. So mail dot your domain name, right? So SMTP username. So SMTP username. So you just go and set an SMTP email. All right, so that has been done. So the name where people will get when your site send an email out, the name that people will see. So you just put that here. So that's the name. So you can just put no reply at your domain name. So it means they will not be able to reply to that particular email. Anything you like, you just do there. So just make sure that this configuration is complete, right? Make sure this configuration is complete. So I click on update. So mail settings successful, right? So now let's send a test mail and see if this test mail successfully sent, right? Test mail successfully sent, right? So now, so let's come here now. So yeah, you choose US dollar, right? So you can choose any currency of your choice. You can even choose Naira, any currency of your choice. So but just make sure you're choosing the right currency. You can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I want it to be in US dollar, right? So US dollar. So and then here you can also add as many payment methods: USD, Euro, GP card, BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB. So you can add as many that you want. So BCH, you can add it. Just click on this, and USDT, add that. Add Naira. So you can add Naira if you are from Nigeria and you want your so you can add TRS. So you see that this setting is very important. So I just click on update. See that currency successfully set. Awesome. Can you see that? So now payment settings, minimum deposit. So how much you want users to be able to deposit, right? So how much minimum deposit, maximum deposit, how much you want them to maximally deposit, how much do you want them to withdraw minimally? So if their gain or profit is not up to $20, they will not be able to withdraw. So they must be able, you must have $20 in your account for you to be able to withdraw. So you just do those settings and click on what update. So payment settings updated successfully. Awesome. So here you have to take your time zone, right? The time zone is very important. So make sure you take the time zone according to where you are, right? Make sure you take the time zone according to where you are. So I'm just going to look for a time zone that is closer to me. Okay, I think I saw London. So I saw London. London is very close to Nigeria. But let me see if I will see any other one. Okay, let me just leave it at London because London is very close to Nigeria, right? So maximum decimal, next one. So you can just leave everything like this and you click on update and complete. Awesome. Can you see that application set up successfully? Can you see that application set up successfully? So right now I want to set up my payment method, right? I'm going to set up my payment method. So I just click on what? Payment method, right? So when I click on my payment method, it's going to take me right here. Can you see that payment method? So I click on payment method, so it's going to take me right here. So I'll just click on crypto wallet. So I'll click on this button here to edit this button. So it's going to open right here. So I'll say crypto wallet, right? I'll say crypto wallet. I can leave it that way. So I'm going to activate US dollar, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Binance, Litecoin, USDT. Can you see that? Then Tron. So I'm going to enable all of that, right? I'm going to enable all of that. So secondary, this is US dollar, right? Secondary currency. So I'll leave this as crypto wallet, right? So then I'll come down here and you see that all of these I have been able to enable them. Can you see that I've been able to enable them? Means that what you can receive money, payment, all of these payment method, right? But for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to use only USDT and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm going to use only those three, then US dollar, right? So everything should be, all my payment should be in US dollar. So I only have this so US dollar payment address. So let me just remove this US dollar. Let me just leave US dollar. So US dollar payment address. So I'm just going to use. So let me just come here and copy my wallet. So I'm going to use this for US dollar too. So I'm going to put my Bitcoin wallet here. If I can put minimum investment, also put that here. So I'll put my Ethereum wallet here. Put my Ethereum wallet here. And I'm going to put my USDT wallet here. So you can just stick to how many payments you want. You can just stick to whatever. So you click on what? Enable this payment method. Can you see that? Say enable this payment method reference feed. You can say hide or show. So let me just leave it at default. So I'll click on what? Updates. Awesome. Can you see that? So that has been updated, right? So my payment method has been updated. Let me go back one more step. So so you can also enable bank transfer for people to be able to send you money through bank transfer. So you can put bank transfer directly into our payments. So you come say method name and say bank transfer. So if you want people to be able to do bank transfer to your account, then they send you information. So account name, so you can put crypto reserve. And you see that? Account number, so you can put your account number, account holder address, bank name. And you see that? Shop name for bank, bank address, bank branch. So all of these are. So you can just put all of this information and then you can enable this and you update that, right? So awesome. So that's very, very easy for you. So you go to what? Withdrawal method. So now let's come to withdrawal method. So how do you want people to be able to withdraw? Do you want to transfer to their bank account or do you want them to be able to use crypto wallet? So let me just activate their withdrawal method. So withdrawal method, I would say crypto wallet. Can you see that? Withdraw through your what? Crypto wallet. All right. So how much you want them? The minimum amount for them to withdraw. And method name, I'll just say crypto wallet withdraw. Awesome. So what do you want them to withdraw in US dollar? Yes. So we'll just leave that in US dollar. So minimum amount to withdraw with especially there is what must be what $20 for you to be able to withdraw. So I'm just enable this and I'll click on what? Updates. Awesome. All right, so you can see that. So let's just go back to the settings one more time. Let's go back to global settings. All of these settings we have already done. So can you see that all of these settings we have already done? Is the language switcher if you want them to be able to switch language, right? So allow registration is enable. Verification required. If you don't want the users to be able to verify their email, you can just turn this off so that when they register, they don't need to verify their email, they just log in direct. So, but I want that to happen. So, referral system, yes, people using their referral link. So, you have to have a referral system. So, you update that, then you click on update, right? So, updated. So, let's go back to manage currency and see what we have there. Awesome. So, we are cool. Exchange rate is automatic. Update rate automatically 30 minutes, right? So so let's go back to reward system. So let's just check all of that one. Allow bonus on sign up. So you can say yes. So on sign up, when you sign up, you get what? $20 bonus. Can you see that? So when you sign up immediately, you get $20 allow bonus on deposit. So when you also deposit, so you can say, okay, now let me tell you how this is going to work for you. So you can say, okay, this Christmas period, anybody who deposits on our website automatically gets $100 in addition to what he deposited. So you can enable bonus deposit so that any amount they deposited, they will get $100, right? Or you can say feast or percent. So you can say, okay, you get 100% of whatever you deposit. So if you enable this and you come here now and say the amount adjust account once first deposit completed. So if you come back and say fees and you put $100 here and say, so anybody who deposits, okay, fees percentage. They say, okay, let's say now anybody who deposits gets So anybody who deposits get 2% of his deposit, right? So, but I don't want to enable that, so I'll just remove that, then I'll click on update. Awesome. So we have set up referral. So let's go to third-party API, right? So let's go to third-party API. So this third-party API allows you to set up Google reCAPTCHA and also allow you to set up talk for chat. But you can also add live chat on your own. I did a video where you can add live chat to your to your website. It's on my channel, and you can just use that to add a live chat to your site. So you don't need all of that. So we have done for payment options. So let's go to investment apps. So let's go to website settings. So our website name is Crypto Reserve, and our site admin is this, right? So we have already created that admin the other time. So here's the admin. So let me just click on check mail. So let's open our email. Awesome. So you can see that test mail the other time that was sent. So you see that thanks for joining our platform. As a member of our platform, you can blah 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 blah. Find out more information about our platform here. So can you see that? So that's how you're going to get the email, right? So let's go back to what we are doing. So site information. So copyright here and all of that, so you can leave it. So main website, specify the URL if your main website is external, right? So you now have to now specify your main website URL, right? So my main website URL is not this particular one. So where we have our front page, don't forget where we have our front page. Here's our front page. So this is our front page here, right? So you can see that. So this will not be our main website URL. Do you see that? So this will not be our main website URL. So I'm just going to take the link of this here, and I'm going to put that here. So specify the URL. If your main website is external, right? So you see that. So if you have a Facebook page, you can also put there Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, GitHub, Medium, Telegram, right? So you can just put all of these stuff there right here. So you click on what update, right? Awesome. So that information has been updated. So site information. So let's go to user dashboard. Awesome. So manage front end pages. So enable home page, right? Enable or disable the default home page. So we don't need the default home page. So I'm going to disable the default home page. Can you see that? So we don't need the default home page. So we are going to disable that. Show additional information, such as show or hide additional information from home page. So I don't need all of this. I'm going to disable all of that. Register for free account, contact box, and all of that. So we don't need all of that. Enable investment page. Enable or disable investment page. Right? Enable investment page. I don't need all of this, so I'm just going to disable that. Show scheme investment page. Right? So you see, we don't need all of that, right? Main navigation. So what you want to see in the main navigation. So I don't want all of this. I don't want anything in the main navigation. So I just remove that because I already have a page controlling all of that. Footer navigation. I don't want this. I don't want this, and I don't want all of this. I don't want any of them because I already have a main website. I'm also in the page setup terms and conditions. So I also don't want this. I also don't want this, and I also do not want this. So enable form on support page. I also do not want any of this because I have a site where I use for all of this. Can you see that I have a site? So I'm just going to update this information right here, and then come right here and then update this information. So I'm just going to enable that. So let me come here. Alert for adding withdrawal, yes. Alert for missing basic information, yes. Cool. Global notice. So if you want a global news, people want to log in and see like a notice in your header, you can do that. All right. So I think I'm very much okay with this setting. Very well. So I go to brand and theming. So yeah, brand and theming here allows you to upload the logo you want to use, right? So let me just click on browse. Click on browse. So this is the logo I want to use, right? Yeah, so this is the logo I want to use right here, and this is the logo I want to use. So I'll click on upload. So you see website logo uploaded successfully. So that's the logo I want to use. So mail template, the logo is also going to appear on your email when your site sends email, right? So I'll click on browse, and this is the logo I want to use. Click on upload. Browse. So this is the logo I want to use. So I'm going to click on upload. So just make sure you have your logo ready, and then you just upload those logo, right? So public homepage layer, right? So now, separate appearance homepage and public pages, right? Color mode. So you can change the color mode. Alt pages, set appearance of alt pages such as the login. Yes, so you can set how you want the pages. Do you want them to be light? Do you want them to be darkened? Default centered and all of that. You want them to so you can set all of them here, but I'm just cool that admin panel light only blue. So you can see that you can set any of the color that you like here, but I am just okay with what I have here. So I'm going to go down and let's go to miscellaneous. Awesome. So let's go to miscellaneous header info. So there's nothing here to configure. Now let's go to email configuration, right? We have set up this email configuration before, right? Can provide this email optionally on each email notification, right? So to reserve email from, right? Email global. So here we can check all of the configuration that we have done before, and everything seems to be okay, right? So let's go to what system status. So you take your time to do all of that, right? Take your time to do all of that and make sure that everything is perfectly done. So let's go back to quick setup or clear caching. So let's go to quick setup. Okay, so we don't need that. So just click on go back, right? So we are very cool with this. So let's just go back here and reload our dashboard because we have finished everything here. So you can see our dashboard right here, and you can see it's very beautiful. So you can see this is the admin dashboard. So beautiful. View transactions, and you can change your admin email right here. So you can see view profile account settings. You can go to account settings. Can you see that? So email encounter your activity. You can even change your mail. You can change your password. You can enable 2-level accounts, right? So you can update your profile, right? So use full name as profile name. So you can do all of that from the super admin account, and also you can even create another admin, right? So let's go to manage users and let's go to administrators. So see, you have one administrator, so you can click on add new administrator. Can you a regular user or admin user, right? And so you can add a regular user from this. That means you can create an account for your users. You can even load those accounts for your users, right? So you can also create an admin user, right? You can create admin user also, so that you have more than one admin on your website, right? So this is how this to configure the admin. But one more stuff that we need to do that is very important right here is the investment plan. So let's go to investment plans. Right, then you click on what manage schemes, right? So we click on manage scheme from the investment plan. So you are going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you see that? So they have a lot of investment plans here, up to 15, right? So they have up to 15. So what you need to do is, well, how many do you want to use? So, but for my case, I just want to use only 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. So anyone I want to use. So if you see that these are set active and these are set inactive, So I'm just going to click on here and say what, mark as inactive, confirm. So I don't want this to be active. Can you see that? So come here and mark as inactive, confirm. I don't want that to be active, and I come here and say what, mark as inactive, confirm. Right, so I don't want those to be active. So these are the ones I want to be active. So let me just edit them. So I'll come here and I'll say update scheme. Can you see that? So how you want to call them, I can say mini plan. So you can see that. Then I can come here and say mini. So I can add it into here. So what's your minimum investment? So my minimum investment is what, $20 to what, $100. Can you see that? So interest rate, how much you want them to receive as interest, how many percent? So I want them to receive 4%, or I want them to receive 5%. Can you see that? 5% interest. Daily, you want them to daily or hourly or weekly or monthly or yearly. So anyone you like. So I click on hourly, 10 days, leave it at 10 days, 10 duration, 21 days. That is to say, look at this now. If I say, okay, 7 days, this is 7 days right here. This is 7 days. This is 7 weeks. This is 7 months. This is 7 hours. This is 7 hours. So what this means now? Okay, let me just say 7 days. So what this means that for every hour, they are going to receive 5%. It's an interest period is hourly. So for every hour, they are going to get 5% of how much they invest, right? And the end of this, that's 10 basis, means that after the maturity of this, they can what, receive their money. Can you see that? Set as fees type investment, return capital at end of investment. Yes, I want them to be able to get their capital back at the end of the investment, right? So when they invest, they are going to get, for every hour, they are going to get how many percent? 5%, right? Set as fees type investment. No. So I'm going to what? Save scheme and then save changes. Can you see that? So that is how to say. Can you see that? 5% for 7 days. Can you see that? 5% for 7 days. Capital return end of term, hourly, 10 basis. You see that? So minimum investment is this. Can you see that? So the same thing I have from here and for here. So anyone you want, all you have to do, you will just go to those scheme and what, edit those scheme, right? All you have to do is what, edit those scheme, right? So we have finished setting up the admin end, right? So let's go right here and register as a user and see how the user end works. So for you to know how to see how the user end works, so let me just copy this. So you just go right into your, so you just copy this and put here, then you do something like /public/login. So this is going to take you to your what, to your normal login page. Can you see that? /public/login. So as you can see, this is my logo. Can you see that? This is my logo right here. So this is my login page. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this is my login page. Awesome. This is my login. So I'm just going to copy this login page information. Can you see that? So I'm going to copy this, and this is my create account page. Can you see that? So this is my create account page. So if I click on my logo right here, it's going to take me to this. So this is my. So now what I'm going to do is that, don't forget, this is our main site. So we want to connect these logins, this login and all of this login here. Can you see that? So I'll just go back to so let's go back to my file manager. So let's go to my file manager back. So I want to connect that right away. So I'll go to public_HTML, and then I'll go to my index page. So this is my index page. So index page, I'll click on edit and click on edit from here. So let's search for login, Control F, then say login. Can you see that? So can you see that login? So this is the login. We have, I think we have two login up right here. So you see the first one, login.html, and the second one. So I can even say this first login should be the image icon. I can say this login should be, I can say this should be what? Register. So let's say this is register, right? So that's register and create an account. So let me just take my create an account. Sorry. So create an account. So let me just put it that link here, right here. So I'll put it there. So let me just save this and see what's going to happen right there. Awesome. So this is my front page. So let me just copy this my front page of my website and come here and put it right here. Awesome. So this is my front page of my website. Can you see that? So sleek. So let me click on, can you see that? Can you see the register here? Can you see that? So I click on register. See what's going to happen. See that? Awesome. It's going to take me right into my registration form. Can you see that? It's going to take me into my registration form. So let's go back here. So this is register and this login. I want to so let's click here. Okay, this is let's say sign in instead. So this is my login link. So I copy my login link. Can you see that? So let's go back to the code again. 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 So this is the code again. So now let me look for login again. So this is login. So this is the link to login. Can you see that? This is the link to login. So I'll just replace this link with my login link. Can you see that? I'll replace that with my login link. So I'm just going to save that. So all of these saying index 2. I want them to be just what? My index. Index.html. Okay, so this is okay. I think this is here showing I think we have on 1 or 2. I don't need this on 1 or 2, so let me just pull them off. Awesome. So let me just refresh, right? So I'm going to refresh this, and this is my login. Can you see that? This is my. So when I click on login, can you see that? Can you see that login is going to take me to this login? Can you see that? Awesome. So when I click on register, it's going to take me to this. Can you see that? Awesome. Awesome. Can you see that? So this is so awesome. Then the same thing, if I click on get started, I want it to take me to login or to register. So let's go back to the code and search for what? For get started. So I'm just going to say get started. So can you see that? So get started. So look at the link to get started. So I'm going to just remove that link and then connect it to my login link. So click it to my login link. So get started. I'm going to remove that and put that right here. So can you see that? So that's how you can change all of these. Can you see that? So this is so cool. So let's go back to my home page. So awesome. So if I click on my get started, it's going to take me to my login. Click on login, or if I click on register, these are going to take me all right to my login and register. So let's just sign up in this website and see how it works. So I click on register. So I enter my full name. This is my full name. So enter my email there, enter my password. Can you see that? So I agree to the terms and conditions. Now click on what? Register. Awesome. Can you see that? Registration completed successfully. Thank you for signing in. You just need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox, including spam folder for your email, right? So I'm going to go right there into my email address and search for my right. I'm going to search for my link. So the link is going to land on my email. So just make sure you open the email. You don't see it in that email, just check your spam, right? So also check your spam. So can you see that? Verify your email. Can you see that it's right there inside my spam? Can you see that? So I can just so open it right here. Can you see that? So click report no spam. So you see that verifies. I'm just going to click it. So just make sure you check your spam folder. So you see that verify email. Can you see that welcome at the promise? And you can see the logo that we said. This is so beautiful. Can you see that? Thank you for registering our platform. You're almost ready to start. So you can click on verify or click on the link above. Can you see that this is so beautiful? And you can also deactivate it if you really want to deactivate it, right? So if you don't want it to send link to your email for verification, you can also disable it. And I showed that. So I just click on verify email. Can you see that? Congrats, you are verified. Thank you for confirmation. Log into your account. So I click on login. Can you see that? So I'm going to enter my email. And I'll click on what? Login. Awesome. Can you see that? So immediately I click on login. So immediately I click on login. It's going to take me here. So I'm going to enter my phone number. And my date of birth. So I'm just going to enter my date of birth right here. Then I'm going to enter my country. Can you see that? This is so I click on what? Complete my profile. Awesome. Can you see that? So I'll just go to what? Deposit now. Can you see that? I'll just go to what? Deposit now. So you see that we set it to $20 bonus, right? So that when you sign up, automatically you get a $20 bonus. So you can see that we can deposit through our bank transfer, we can deposit through our crypto wallet, and you can see dip and dashboard, transaction, investment, our plans, my profile. So the first thing we need to do is to deposit right into the system, right? So if I want to use bank statement, I'll just click on this and I'll click on deposit now. So if I click that now, so you see that how much minimum is $100. So let's say I want to deposit $200 or $2,000. So I click on continue to deposit. So it's going to see what's going to happen. Can you see that? It's going to say payment method, you will send so amount of deposit, confirm and pay, right? So I want to deposit bank transfer. So I want to deposit, so let's say confirm and pay. Can you see that? Payment $2,000 reference and account name. Can you see that? Account number, account address. Can you see that? Bank name. Can you see that? Back to dashboard. So I'll just go to so this deposit, your order has been placed successfully. To complete the please send the payment of $2,000 through your bank. I'll send that email to you, including payment. Right. So let's check that. So this is the email that they are sent to me. New deposit. Can you see that? New deposit. So when I click on that, I see that your order has been placed and is now being waiting for your payment. The deposit there has shown payment reference, $2,000 bank transfer, and all of that. So I can even see go right here. Where is my account? So this is my account. So let me go back to deposit again. I can see deposit, and then let me just use Bitcoin. So crypto wallet. And I click on deposit now. So you're gonna see what's gonna happen right away. This is so awesome. So how much do you want to deposit? I want to deposit $1,500. So can you see that? I click on deposit. So you're gonna see what it's gonna call out, you know, how much I want to deposit. So if I click on confirm, so see what's gonna happen right here. So it's gonna call out that Bitcoin script wallet that we put on the site, or whichever wallet you want to do. Can you see that? So your order has been placed. Please that amount address. So can you see that? So this is the Bitcoin investment script that I actually placed to use, right? So you can see that Bitcoin investment script. Can you see that? So so if I go back to my email right here and click on inbox, let me just reload. So that information we say, you see that new deposit order. Can you see that your deposit order reference? Can you see that? Crypto wallet $1,500. Provide to the following $US address. Can you see that? Can you see that? So you're just going to see that information right here. So everything is dropping. So let me check the admin email account. So the same thing, just wait. Can you see that? This is the admin account. So new deposit order. So admin will also be notified. Can you see that? You have received a deposit order from this guy. The order is as follows. So this is my username automatically generated from me, right? So this is my full name. Can you see that? So if I also come here, I'm going to see, you know, the deposit order. So anything that has to do with deposit, withdrawal, anything that you do on the system, admin get notified of it, right? So let's go back and continue. So now let's go back to our account. So this is our account, and then we'll click on back to dashboard. So we are going to just copy that wallet address and make payment, right? So let's say we have made payment for that. Can you see that we have made payment? So first, another thing that we'll do, let's just add our receiving account account that you want to use to withdraw. So you click on add account. It's a crypto wallet. So enter wallet address. So let's say this is the wallet address I want to use to receive payment. So this is the wallet address I want to use to receive payment. So I'll put it there and I'll say Bitcoin. Can you see that Bitcoin wallet? So I'll just say add account. Can you see that? I'll just say add account. So that account will be added. So I can even add more account to receive. And I can say Ethereum. I want to receive through Ethereum. Ethereum wallet. So I can say Ethereum. Can you see that? Add account. So you can see that now admin needs to what? Approve what? The deposit. If I go to transaction, I'm going to see the transaction, right? I'm going to see the transaction. Okay. See deposit. So let's go to deposit. Okay, let's go to schedule. So when we go to schedule, we're going to see the two. Can you see that? $2,000 and $1,500, right? The transaction, we're going to put that information. So let's go right to the admin account, right? Let's go to the admin account to all right, so this is the admin account. Let's just go back to dashboard right here. So when you come to the admin account, you are going to see deposit. Can you see that deposit 2? Awesome. This script is so awesome. I love this script so much. I love this script. Can you see that this script is so awesome? So when you click on deposit, can you see that when you click on when you come here, you see the deposit. Can you see that deposit? 2 persons have deposited. So let's just click on this. Can you see that? So this is the deposit. The first deposit was how much? $2,000, and the second deposit was $1,500. And you can see that the deposit is what? Pending. Can you see that? The deposit is what is pending. Can you see that? The deposit is what pending. So you can come here. You can even come here and say details. So you're going to see details of who is depositing, right? So you're going to see all of the details, and it's what is on pending. So let's approve that deposit. So right here, I'm just going to what? Click on this approve. Can you see that? So I click on approve. Can you see that? Can you see that? Say approve. So you don't need to put anything here. You can just say confirm and proceed. Awesome. Can you see that? That deposit has been approved, right? So let me just approve everything. So you can also cancel if you want to cancel, confirm and approve. Awesome. So can you see that admin has what? Approved those 2 deposits. Can you see that? Admin has what? Has approved those 2 deposits. So you can see that deposit. So it means that admin has seen those money inside their wallet, and admin has what? Approved that deposit, right? So let's go back to the user account. So let's just refresh the user account. Go to the dashboard of the user account. Awesome. Can you see that? 3,500 plus the $20 that you get. Can you see that? Available balance 3,500, total deposit 3,500, total withdrawal. Can you see that? Total withdrawal. So this person has not made any withdrawal, right? So you can see that this person has not made any withdrawal. But let's just try to first of all, let's try to invest right now, right? So let's try to invest. So let's go to what? Our plans. So when we go to our plans, we are going to see what? The 3 investment plan. Can you see that? This is the 3 investment plan that was created, right, from the admin. So let's say this is the plan 1 to 2. I click on invest now. Awesome. Can you see that? So invest now. Which plan? If I even go to my dashboard from here, you see something. Let me show you something. You see something like invest and earn. When you click on this, so it's going to also take you to that same plan. So can you see that plan? So you choose the plan. So you see mini plan, premium plan, professional plan. Can you see that? So if I say professional plan, I click on this. So enter amount, right? So before then, let's go to our plans again. The professional plan is how much? So the professional plan is what? 2.50 for 50 days. But let me just go with this mini plan. Is what? 20 minimum of $20 to what? $100, right? Minimum $20 to $100. So let's go to deposits. Sorry, let's go to our plans. Also, so let's go to professional plans. Okay, let me just say professional plans. Maximum of $2,500. So how much I want to invest? I want to invest $2,500. Can you see that? $2,500. So, and it's showing my main balance. Can you see that? Then I click on continue to invest. Can you see that? So it's telling me that, oh, this script is awesome. So my duration will be in 50 days, 2.5%. So now it's telling me total return is what? $5,625. You see that? So I'm depositing $2,500, but at the end of the investment, I'm going to get how much? $5,625. So I click on confirm. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. So let me go to investment page. Congratulations, the investment has been. So automatically, can you see that? Automatically, that amount of money is withdrawn from my account, and you can see the deposit here is pending. So if we go back to the admin, let's go to dashboard again from the admin. Awesome. Can you see that somebody has invested, right? Deposited $3,500. Can you see that? So you see the transaction, look at the deposits, and then investment. Can you see the investment? $2,500. If I click on all investment, I'm going to see that investment. Can you see the investment by HYIP Adebayo, and it's pending. So if I just come here, right here, and then you see that I'm going to click on what? Approve. Can you see that? Approve. So I can say note for deliver, your investment has been approved. Can you see that? So I click on approve. Awesome. So you can even configure it such that you don't even want the admin to approve the investment, that you want the investment to be automatically approved, right? You can configure it that the investment can automatically be approved by itself, right? But for this one, the configuration we did was that admin should approve, right, the investment. So let's go back to our account and just click on refresh. Awesome. Can you see that? Amount invested. Can you see that? 2,500. Approximate profit 3,000. Can you see that? Currently invested. Awesome. Can you see that? This is so awesome. This is so awesome. So can you see that? So our investment has moved right here. Can you see that? So, and you see our net profit is 3,000. If you click on here, right here, we are going to see the investment, the information, 10 basis daily. Can you see that? 50 days and all of that. We are just going to see all of the how much was invested. Can you see that? Also, we can initiate, a withdrawal. Let's say, okay, we have $1,200 here. Let's say I want to withdraw $500. So I click on withdraw. So you see that it's showing here crypto wallet. So I click on withdraw. So it's going to show me my wallet. Can you see that? Ethereum wallet. I can say no, I want Bitcoin wallet. So can you see that? I can click on Bitcoin wallet and say I want to withdraw. Let's withdraw $500. So let's withdraw $500 and click on continue to withdraw. Can you see that? $500 paid into this account. So I click on confirm and withdraw. So users can withdraw, right? So when they withdraw, it also needs admin. Can you see that? If I come here and let's say dashboard, you see that if I come here and say dashboard, you see that $500 available balance total. So total withdrawal, it has not shown here, right? It has not shown here because admin, has not approved that withdrawal to go into the user's wallet. So let's go to the admin end and just click on dashboard again to refresh. So you're going to see, can you see that withdraw? Wow, awesome. This script is powerful. So if I click on withdraw here, can you see that it's showing what? Pending. So admin need to approve it. So let's approve it. Can you see that? Proceed to withdraw. Let's click on proceed. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. It has been withdrawn. So let's click on it one more time. Sometimes you have to click on the withdraw. Completed withdrawal. You have to click on it 2 times for the withdrawal to actually take effect, right? So just click on that. So twice. Awesome. Can you see that? So let's just reload and make sure that that is off. So let's go back to withdraw. So yes, withdraw. So now let's go back to the user end and click on dashboard again and see. This is so powerful. Can you see that total withdraw $500? Wow, this is so powerful. Can you see that? This is so powerful, and even your referral link. Can you see that your referral link, everything is working right here? So you can just copy your referral link and take your referral link to another browser right here and use it to invite other people to the site, and the referral link works very fine. Can you see that? So people can just register. So let's go back to our email for all of the transactions that we have been doing. Can you see that your withdrawal request has been received? Can you see that? So we receive your withdrawal request from, can you see that? Can you see that? This is so powerful. Your withdrawal request has been completed. Congratulations, your withdrawal request has been completed. So you see that all of the emails will just be dropping as long as you follow my description of how to do that. So your withdrawal request of 500 has been successfully confirmed. Make up on your deposit in your account. Can you see that? So your withdrawal request, everything is dropping right into your account. So you see your congratulations investment plan approved, successfully started. Your investment plan are shown below for reference when the investment plan started. So you're going to get emails for that. So thank you for investing in my 2005 professional plan. Then I show below. Can you see that the email just keep dropping? Deposit successfully. Deposited 2,000 and successfully approved. Can you see that? All of this information drop. The same way admin is also getting notification. Can you see that? Withdrawal request from Ajayi Adebayo. So admin is going to see that this guy is trying to make a withdrawal request. Can you see that? So this guy is trying to make a withdrawal request. So you are notified every time. So on your email, you on the go, you get the information investment plan purchased by this guy. So when somebody do anything on your site, admin is automatically notified. This is so awesome, right? This is so awesome. Now I want to show you another very powerful features of this site, right? I want to show you another very powerful features of this site. Now this feature I want to show you is that you can automatically create an account, right? You can automatically create an account for users. As an admin, you can create an account for users. So when you create an account for users, users will, users will get an email that an account will be created for them, and you can also automatically deposit into that account, right? So let me show you how that works. So let's go to manage users. So you go to what? Active users. So from active users, you're going to see all your users. Can you see that? So you can send a mail to your user, you can suspend your user. Can you see that? You can suspend a user, and you can do something like you can mark as locked. So anything you want to do, you can do. So I can click on here. So you can send a mail to your user. So now I want to create a user from my back end now, right? So I click on add a user. So register user. So enter full name. I cannot say Ben Jackson. So you can create a user. To enter his email. You enter the user's email gmail.com. And you see that password. So the user does not require verification. So if you click on this, it means it's going to tell the user to verify, right? But this one, you are creating an account for the user, so no need for you to do that. If you want to do that, fine for you. So I click on add user. New user account successfully created. Can you see that? So you can see that new user account has been successfully created. Ben Jackson. Can you see that? You can see suspend the user. You can see view the user's profile. This is the user's profile I just created. Can you see that? It's the user's profile that you just created. So you can also deposit money in that particular user's profile. This is so powerful. So click on deposit. Then you click on add. Then you click on what? Add deposit or add bonus. Can you see that? You can add deposits. Can you see that? So let's say I want to deposit $500 into that user's account, $500. Select account, which of the account I want to put in Ben Jackson. Can you see that? Direct deposit. Yes, you want to directly deposit. So you can write anything, but I'll click on add deposit and I'll click on proceed. Created transaction. Can you see that? That money has been deposited into that user's account. So now I can even add bonus. I can say, okay, you got a bonus of, let's say, okay, let's come back here, Jackson. I can see $5,000, so $5,000. I can come here, add a bonus. Can you see that description? I can say you got a bonus of $5,000 for Christmas. Can you see that? So you can do that. Can you see that? So you click on what? Add transaction, then you can click on proceed. Now let's go and check for that. Now let's go to that particular email account. So let's just refresh that email account. So always make sure you go to spam. If you don't see, can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? Welcome to Crypto Reserve. Can you see that? Welcome to Crypto Reserve. So let's do report no spam. So let's go back to yeah. Can you see that? Welcome to Crypto Reserve. Can you see that? So let's just open that. Hey Justin, you're receiving this email because you have registered on our website. Can you see that? You are registered on our website. Awesome. Can you see that? So we have one account already here. So let's just try to register log in this user from another browser. So let's go to sign in instead, another browser. So let's go to Aeon Chief. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me click on login. Awesome. So it has created the ID username for the person. So we'll just go ahead, or I can just click on go to dashboard if I don't want to complete all of that. Awesome. Can you see that? $5,500. Can you see that? $5,500 was deposited for this account. So let's go to transactions. Can you see that? You got a bonus of $5,000 for Christmas. Can you see the transaction? And credit balance, you also got what? $500. So if I click on this box right here, can you see that? I'm going to see all of that. You got a bonus of $5,000 for Christmas. Can you see that? So you can create an account for users, and users will be able, create an account for them, and you'll be able to also deposit into that account. Right? So for those of you who are asking for this function, now you get it. You can even go ahead and do what? And withdraw. Can you see that? So add a withdrawal method. So we have already done all of that in that before. So you can add a withdrawal method and what? And you can go ahead and what? And withdraw, that amount that was deposited on this website for you. So this is a very, 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 very powerful script. So you can still go to all investment, invested plan, invest dashboard, investment statements, or transaction. So so you can come to profit settlement too. Can you see that? You can come to profit settlement, and okay, let's come to investment statements or transactions. So invest. So this person everybody who invests, right? So I can come here and say process, right? Approve the profits. I can approve this profit. No penny profit, no penny profits right here. So once the time of this investment is up, I can approve that profit, and the user is going to get that profit. So you can see that withdraw. So click on withdraw here, right here. Can you see that? So admin is going to approve that. Process withdrawal. So admin is going to approve the $3,000 and pay into this particular account. Can you see that? Admin is going to approve that. So let me approve that one more time. Sometimes you just need to approve it 2 times for the transaction to complete, right? So can you see that? So the same thing, if you come to the admin right here, say withdrawal request from Ben Jackson. Can you see that? Ben Jackson tried to withdraw. The same thing, if you go to the Ben Jackson email account too, you see that Ben Jassy also tried to, okay, this is the Ben Jassy email account. So let's come here, Ben Jassy email account. So let's go to updates. Let's go to, yeah, and then refresh. So crypto updates. Can you see that? So you see that withdrawal successful. Your withdrawal request has been received. Can you see that? Can you see that? So if you come back here, and then let's come back here. Okay, let's come back here, and can you see that? Confirm. Can you see that? You withdraw request of this, blah, 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 blah. So admin can also go right here. Where is the admin account? Blah, blah, blah. So this is the admin account, and go right here and initiate it. So we have already initiated that. So you are going to see the withdraw from your end. So admin can come to transaction. Admin can see all pending transaction, right? All pending transaction. Everybody who made withdrawal, right? Everybody who made withdrawal on the system, and also admin can also get notification for all of this. This system is so powerful, right? and then I can you see, so I can sign out from my account. You see that I can sign out from my account, and I can say I forgot password. I can say forgot password, so I can enter my email address. So this is the email address, and I can say resend link. You see that forgot password, I can send a reset link. We have email instruction to you for your password reset link, right? So if I go to that particular email, this is the particular email account. So let's just refresh this email account. Can you see that crypto reserve password reset? Can you see that? Can you see that? So I can click on here and try to reset my password. Wow, can you see that system? I have taken my time to actually broken this down for you to get this system played. So you can see this is a very robust system. So I am giving access for you to get this crypto investment website, and you can see, let's just test for mobile. Let's test for mobile so you can see something. So let me just come here, test for mobile. Let me see iPhone 7 landscape. iPhone 7 landscape. Okay, so let's test for mobile. So you can see that. So let's say iPhone 7 portrait. So select device, iPhone 7 portrait. So can you see that? Look at the mobile compatibility. Can you see that? The mobile compatibility is bad. Can you see that? The mobile compatibility is bad. Can you see that? It's bad. Very bad and awesome. So this is one of the best crypto investment websites script that you can get out there, and I'm giving you access to get this script for the sum of just 40,000 naira, right? So you're going to get access to this script for just 40,000 naira, and you're going to get access, if you're not in Nigeria, you're going to get access to this script for just $85, right? So you're going to get access to this script for just $85, and if you are not in Nigeria, you're going to get access to this script for $85. But if you're in Nigeria, you're going to get access to this script for just 40,000 naira. You can see that this script is one of the best I have so far. Everything is functioning properly, and everything is very good. And you can even load admin and users account, create users from Backend. You can load those accounts manually, right? You can manually set users deposit, so that when users come, when they click on deposit, you may not even approve that deposit, but you can manually credit the account. You can manually credit the account with their gains, manually credit the accounts with their gains. So guys, so I'm giving you access to this script, and this access is not going to last for a very long time. You have a limited time to get this script for 40,000 naira or $85 to get this powerful script. And you can see the mobile compatibility even on the dashboard. When you log in from the dashboard, the mobile compatibility is compared to none, and everything has been done for you. All you need to do is just get the script, install the script, and start making money with this script. And if you want to charge your client for this script, do not charge your client anything less than 200,000, right? So you can charge your client close to 500,000 naira to get this website done for them. And I'm telling you, they are going to pay for this, because this is beautiful, this is awesome. So guys, for any support, you're going to see my number on this video. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, and I'll be right here to answer you. So for any kind of cryptocurrency investment script that you want, you can also chat me up, and we have a lot that we have developed. We also have a lot that we have acquired, and we are ready to just give you all of these. We are making it simple for you so that you also can get your 2021 a very big success for you before the end of this year. So thank you for listening, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you once again. My name is HYIP, and I will see you on the inside of success.